Hello everyone! Today I will show you how the Haiwell device communicates with serial devices via the Modbus protocol. Here we will use Modbus slave software as a Modbus transmission device. Okay, let's set its registers first. Here we use function code 03 to demonstrate. And we set the quantity as 5 and the slave ID is 2. Then we click to connect. And we can check the connection setup here. The communication parameters are 9608 and 1. Next, we simulate integer and float type numbers respectively. We set the integer as 13. This address we can set as a float number. And set this number as 1.23. Next, we open our SCADA software and find the Modbus master in the driver option. Then select the COM port. Here we select COM3 and the protocol is RS485. Set the communication baud rate and set the stop bit as 1. Since the slave ID we set just now is 2, we should fill in 2 here and click OK. Here we create the corresponding variable based on the register address. The addresses are 0 and 1 respectively. The first variable is an integer, and the other one is float. For the data type, you can choose according to your actual needs. And here we choose float. For the main display, we can drag to components to show the variable. The first one we can bind the variable 1. And check the input function. The second one we bind the variable 2 and check input. Here we set the decimal digits as 2. After configure it, we can download the project. This is the project that we made. As you can see, we have successfully communicated. And we also can change the variable. You can see that the device also receives the changed value very well. Okay, this is our Haiwell device using the Modbus protocol to communicate with serial devices. If you have more to know, tell us in comment. Haiwell leading the new era of IoT.